In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your YouTube account. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting a YouTube account is a serious step. It can remove your videos, comments, playlists, and other channel data. So if there's anything you might want later, it's a good idea to back it up or make it private instead of deleting the channel entirely. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the channel you want to delete. You should see the usual YouTube homepage with the search bar at the top and recommended videos below. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens a drop-down menu with a list of options related to your account. From that menu, click on YouTube Studio. This will take you to the Creator dashboard, where you manage your channel content, analytics, and settings. Give it a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a sidebar on the left with options like content, analytics, and comments. Now, focus on that left-hand column and scroll down until you see settings near the bottom. Click on settings to open a small window in the middle of your screen with several categories. In the settings window, click on the section labeled channel. This is where YouTube keeps options related to your channel's basic information and preferences. Within the channel section, you'll see a few tabs across the top. Click on the tab called Advanced Settings. This area holds more detailed controls, including some important account-related options. Scroll down in the Advanced Settings tab until you find a link or button that says Manage YouTube Account. Click on that. It will open a new page in your browser, taking you to your broader YouTube account settings. On this new page, look again at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Advanced Settings. This is different from the earlier tab. It's part of your account section, not the studio window. Here, you should see an option labeled Delete Channel. Click on Delete Channel. At this point, YouTube may ask you to verify your Google account password, and then it will show you what exactly will be removed. Read the information carefully, confirm your choices, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deletion. Once you've confirmed everything, your YouTube channel deletion process will begin, and that's how you delete your YouTube account.